Astronomers discover a massive exoplanet that defies known science. Sputnik News reports just in. A group of astronomers discovered an exoplanet that is almost as big as its host star. How is that possible? Prior to this discovery, astronomers had doubts that smaller stars could host gas giants similar to Jupiter. A huge Jupiter-like exoplanet was found orbiting a tiny star, some 31 light-years away, forcing astronomers to review their knowledge of how star systems are formed. This is according to the Daily Mail. According to the report, scientists until now have believed that large gas planets form as a solid core of ice and rock that then attracts surrounding gas from the disk of matter that absorbs and orbits around the young star. Contrary to this theory, the new discovered planet that orbits the red dwarf, GJ 3512, did not form as a solid core, but apparently came into existence of its own from orbiting stellar matter due to gravitational instabilities. To put it another way, a large chunk of star disk collapsed into itself under its own mass. Scientists said, usually we think of giant planets starting life as an icy core, orbiting far out in the disk of gas surrounding the young star, and then growing rapidly by attracting gas onto itself. But the authors of the new study argue that the disks around small stars don't provide enough material for this work. Astrophysicist Peter Wheatley of University of Warwick said, "This find prompts us to review our models." This is what Herbert Klar of Max Planck Institute of Astronomy in Germany said. He's the author of the paper. The brown dwarf GJ 3512 is a small star. And let's remember that we have a brown dwarf at the end of our solar system. This is what NASA told us a couple of years ago. So that's a small star at the end of our solar system. I wonder if that's what's causing the interstellar objects coming in at us, because small stars, usually they're not alone. They have planet systems around them. Anyway, this one is 31 light-years away, as we said. The GJ 3512, the small star, estimated to be a mere 12% of the mass of our star, our sun, which itself is far from being large on a galactic scale. The gas giant planet orbiting GJ 3512 is almost as big as its host star, according to Juan Carlos Morales of the Institute of Space Studies of Catalonia, the lead author of the study. Little is known about the planet, although the study authors have calculated the planet is at least half as heavy as our planet Jupiter, and that its stellar orbit equals approximately 200 Earth days. The host star's tiny size complicates observations, and scientists can't currently measure the planet's size with a sufficient level of precision. According to Yale University astronomer Greg Lawlin, as some 4,000 exoplanets have been identified, the detection of another new exoplanet is not necessarily noteworthy, but one that challenges current theories of planet formation can animate astronomers, he said. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.